What's that over there?
That's an Easter basket.
Oh, you found your Easter basket, huh?
And
Oh, hurry, pull it out of there. Let's see what it looks like. What's inside of it?
these things. And
Holy cow. Look at all that stuff.
And this is gum.
Oh, you got some gum that you like, huh?
And I got 2 gums.
What do you got there?
Look.
Ooh, Peeps. Those are called Peeps.
Yeah. And here's some chocolate.
A chocolate bunny? Boy, that sounds good.
You can eat it.
I can eat some?
But not all of it. Oh, look.
You found one in your cup, huh?
Found the egg in my cup.
Hmm. You see any more anyplace?
No.
Oh, what's that on the pumpkin there?
Look.
What are those?
Sweet tarts. These are sweet tarts.
Yeah.
They smell like sweet tarts. They are sweet tarts.
Really?
Look at this. Look at this.
What's that?
Chalk.
Chalk? Really? Well, that's pretty neat.
I needed some more chalk. Because that you break some of my chalk.
I broke your chalk?
No, Mom did.
Oh, Mom did. Oh, okay. I didn't think I broke it.